Ito ang kanyang Madonna and the Child na ginamitan niya ng mga mosaic art materials. Hindi ba ang gandang tingnan, no? Ang nagkakahalaga ng mga from $800 and up ang kanyang mga obra maestra. Dahil malalaki din ito, kaya mahal ay ginagamitan niya to ng mga stones. Heto siya noon. O, hindi ba ang ganda niya? Binibining Pilipinas 1982 for Miss Universe beauty pageant it was held in Lima, Peru. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today I will introduce you to Maria Isabel Lopez. Siya ang dating Binibining Pilipinas that represented the Philippines to the Miss Universe beauty pageant in 1982. So, siya ay naka-base dito sa Sebastopol, California. Paminsan-minsan, umuwi siya sa Pilipinas kung meron siyang offer na project. She is an artist and a famous mosaic artist. She is also actress in the Philippines. Ngayon, makikita natin ang kanyang mga masterpieces, ang kanyang mga obra maestra. And she graduated in UP Fine Arts, and her major is advertising and fashion designing. She worked in Rustan's as a fashion designer, and later on, she moved to SM bilang isang fashion designer, at mukhang mataas ang posisyon niya that time. So, ngayon, nag-focus siya sa mga mosaic artworks. She is very busy back and forth to the Philippines kung meron siyang project. She is very talented mosaic artist and an actress. She is a Filipina artist known for her mosaic art and painting. She transitioned from acting and pageantry to become a mosaic artist, showcasing her work in various exhibits, including a one-woman show in Manila, the art at the Source Open Studios in Sonoma County. Her mosaic art often incorporates natural stones and mixed media. She uses stained glass, natural stones, such as turquoise, quartz, and citrine, and even rusted patina from old farm equipment. She derived her theme to religious imagery like the Madonna and the Child and the Stations of the Cross, representations of nature and personal experiences. Ito ang isa sa mga nagustuhan ko rin, ang cross. Ginamitan din niya ito ng mga mosaic art materials tulad ng nasabi ko kanina, ang turquoise at mga different kinds of stones. Hindi lang basta-basta stones ang ginagamit niya dito. This one, she made this and finished during the pandemic time. Kaya ang title niya dito ay Pandemic Moments. Noon kasing mga panahon na yon, maraming mga paghihirap ang naganap sa mga madlang people. So, bawat isa, merong mga momento, merong mga memories during the COVID. So, dito niya inilarawan yung isang color lang, and it is called monochromatic. Light brown, dark brown, and medium brown. So, sa bawat kulay na yon, sa bawat level ng kulay, ay inilalarawan ang mga paghihirap at mga kaganapan during the time. Kaya ang title niya ay Pandemic Moments. That was very nice. Sana nagustuhan ninyong panoorin ang kanyang mga masterpieces, ang kanyang mga obra maestra, at at suportahan natin siya, maging proud tayo sa kanya. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga subscribers ko, old and new, local and overseas, sa tuloy-tuloy niyong pagsuporta sa channel na ito. So, bawat araw ay bibigyan ko kayo ng iba't ibang mga panoorin o at matututuhan nyo. This channel is diversified, at kung ano yung magandang maaari nating ipalabas sa video na ito, sa channel na ito, then we will do it. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo at sana lagi kayong nasa mabuting kalagayan. Bye for now! Itong isang ito ay isang mural na ginawa sa San Francisco, California. Kasama siya sa grupo ng mga muralist, at ito ay makikita doon sa isang area sa San Francisco. Suportahan natin at maging proud tayo kay Maria Isabel Lopez kasi meron siyang exhibit sa New York at kung saan-saan pa. Nag-aral siya sa Chicago Mosaic Art School para lalong maging mahusay at marami siyang malaman kung what is and how to do it. Kaya suportahan natin siya. Katulad ng sinabi ko, ang mga painting niya ay nagkakahalaga ng $800 and up. Dahil sa mahalang ginagamit niyang mga stones, nag-major mahusay din siya sa painting. She took her formal training in Chicago Mosaic School and studied mosaic art in Berkeley, California. Her painting style is characterized by vibrant colors and focus on detail, often evoking a sense of nostalgia and warmness. She derived her theme to religious imagery like the Madonna and the Child and the Stations of the Cross. And tulad ko, she believed that God gave her a gift of talent. Kaya her advocacy is to share it to others. At yun ang kanyang paniniwala na tulad ko rin. Sana nagustuhan ninyo, panoorin ninyo ang kanyang mga samples ng kanyang mosaic arts at sana nagustuhan ninyo at maging proud tayo kay Maria Isabel Lopez.